Hello, beautiful, vivacious, gorgeous women of the world and men of the world that watch this. Thank you for watching. I am Nayri Salud, creative beauty extraordinaire. Check me out at nayrisalud.com to book, view, and get more info. Let's talk about the things I learned this week and let's get into these hairstyles. I do a lot of hair transformations, but one thing that I learned is be patient with the process, and to what is understood does not have to be explained. You should be so good at what you do, or so good at standing in what you are doing, that your lifestyle and your character sets the tone and there is no need for explanation. Just understand that the job is going to be done. I need you not to understand. I need you, when I'm finished with you, you're going to overstand. And that is what I learned this week. Explanation, when you understand, there's no need for explanation. You don't have to explain yourself. But I'm going to explain what I'm doing over here. She didn't get a relaxer because she had a color. She wanted to experience her hair and what is best for her hair. And what we realized is her best thing is low maintenance. And sometimes low maintenance does acquire braids. That's more aligned with her. So she's just want to, see how her hair has been doing. One thing I did advise her on is the fact that you may not want to do color and braids because it may be too much on your hair. But she's going for a good look, and it looks good on her. She did her own color. I did not do her color, but it looks great on her. She was such a great person to work with. I love that red, just in time for the season. Now, this is my homegirl right here. She already colors her hair, but what she wanted to do was to go shorter. I zoomed in on the curls so you could see the details because I listened to someone else and they said that I'd be going too fast. So I'm going to see what it do. So you can leave a comment. Let me know what, you like and what more you want to see. I need comments. I need likes, and I need shares, and I need subscribers so that I could build my page up and I could buy me something to eat. And then I could take a video of me eating and rating my food. But no, I just need it because I want my stuff to grow. And if when it grows, it'll help you because I'll be here more. So what she got was her hair cut off, and we did relax it. So yeah, we relaxed her hair. I tested her hair, and I did a strand test to ensure that her hair can deal with the relaxer. So this is just me cutting. This is how I cut. Everybody has their own technique. When you get into doing hair, just like with anything else, you will learn that you do what's best with you. What you do what's best for you, not what everybody else is telling you to do. Because, like I said, what's understood does not need to be explained. Okay, so when somebody is asking you a whole bunch of questions, just remember the quote: what is understood does not need to be explained. You don't have to explain yourself to nobody. Your lifestyle should speak for itself. And if people keep asking you questions, then you know what you have the right to do. Excuse yourself and go mind your business, and everything will work out. This is the finished results. She got the curls. These curls are really popping this season, and I really appreciate the opportunity to be able to share my creativity with everyone who graces my chair. See you all later. Bye. Tell a friend. You could call me later if you want. I'm not going to answer. Bye-bye.